Every sigh is a reprimand. Ghosts of text I didn't send, stack like laundry in my head. Should've, could've, didn't say. Worries don't know night from day. And I keep folding all these fears like paper cranes that disappear. But they come back just out of frame, calling softly, whisper.
The next day.
Count the cracks along the wall. Each one echoes something small. It grew too big, too sharp to name. Fleeting thought becomes a flame. Maybe I'm just wired this way, or maybe I forgot how to pray. Even silence seems to speak to the voice of my critique. So I keep folding all these fears.
It's hard to let it go. And I want you to know that I keep dreaming and I keep going, dancing on my feet. And I keep hoping that time will heal me, drying all my tears. I finally wanna live and build a world where we'll be safe. I finally wanna give love that no one gave to me. I finally wanna shine, allow myself to touch the light. I finally wanna reach so many hearts, souls and feelings.
The next day.
Bye!
Goodbye.
Left a mug in the sink for 2 days now. A little mold like a crown on my crown. I water the plant just enough not to die. The truth is I wanna cry. No calls, no plans, I'm off the grid. I swear the silence feels like a ring. Eyes wide open for all night, but I'm doing just fine. I say I'm good when I'm not even close. Small through the ache like nobody knows. Play pretend that it makes me scream. Dinner ships and a bite of beef. Haven't changed out of his hoodie yet. I hum a tune no one hears but me. Echoes in my living room symphony. Far through the walls they talk back sometimes. Empty's a shape that I wear just right. Don't worry, babe, don't press rewind. I'm doing just fine. I say I'm good when I'm breaking in half. Hiding in jokes, buried in laughs. Post a photo, pixel bright. Filter out the lonely night. Maybe I miss you, maybe I lie, but I'm doing just fine. And if I said I needed more, would it open or close a door? So I'll say nothing.
Years like paper cranes that disappear, but they return with lift up wings, carrying such heavy. It's 3 a.m., the sky turns gray. Still I lie here wide awake. Worries hum a quiet tune.